welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to do my weekly cleaning routine video. I worked really hard on this video, getting everything and every little detail into this video. I posted it the other day and I just wasn't happy. So this one is perfect, and I got to adding laundry in there as well. Today I actually was washing our comforter, so I was just fixing the fitted sheet on our bed. We haven't really been making the bed. It's not like my favorite thing to do, but we haven't really been using our comforter either because it is so warm outside, so we've just been using our little blankets. Also cleaning off my nightstand, I've just been using my Mrs. Meyer's spray to clean off my nightstand and my computer. I clean that pretty often throughout the week, and then I also clean our dresser a ton. I just use the Method wood spray, and then I use the Swiffer duster thing as well to just clean off all the dust and whatever's dirty on there. I sprayed our room spray. I love this spray. It smells like roses. I also put away some pictures that we weren't using. I just had them kind of under my vanity, so I just wanted to kind of clear out the room. I'm still not done decorating this room. I will do a full video on it, but I also love to vacuum all the time. It's like my favorite thing to do. Laid carpet powder, if you guys are wondering, and then I just went ahead and did our room, the bathroom, the living room, kitchen. I vacuum more than I sweep. I feel like sweeping, you're really just kicking up the dust and dirt, so I like to vacuum all the rooms. I'm using the Clorox bleach spray for our sink. I do this really often. I also clean the mirror, the bathroom, toilet, and the tub. I do the tub like every other week because it is very time consuming, but I definitely love cleaning the toilet and the sink. It's super satisfying to have a really clean bathroom. I've been using the Clorox bleach wand like toilet bowl cleaners, and I've been loving them. It makes it a lot easier and faster to clean the toilet. And then I went ahead and mopped. I also got some spray from my Swiffer, so I'm pretty happy I get to mop normally without using wet pads. I went ahead and did the living room. Our living room is becoming complete this week. I'm super excited. We've been working on it. So it's still empty right now, but we're working on it. Moving on to the kitchen, I take out all the trashes from our bedroom, bathroom, and the kitchen. And then I have a couple of boxes. I usually get packages like 3 or 4 times a week, so I have like a crap ton of boxes to take out. And then I put a new bag in, and I took out some of our recyclables. I moved the rug in the kitchen before I do all the cleaning because I like to get all the dishes done and then do the floors in there. We didn't have too many dishes this day. I like to keep up with them and run the dishwasher at night, so that way I'm just unloading in the morning time and reloading like cups and bowls that we use for breakfast. This day I actually deep cleaned the kitchen a little bit on this side by the microwave. Just moved the mat, cleaned all the handles and stuff like that. I also did the bleaching thing I normally do in the sink like once a week. I do that pretty often. I also did the dishwasher and the microwave and the fridge with my stainless steel cleaner. I don't like the smell of the stuff, but I love the way it works. It really gets like the dirt and grime off the handles and all that fun stuff. The kitchen literally looks so cluttered on this side, but don't worry, in the next video I'll show you guys, it does not look that cluttered up there on the bar. But I like to deep clean this area as well, kind of move everything out of the way in its place and just wipe everything off with my Mrs. Meyer's spray. The hinges, like the knobs to the oven. I move the toaster. I wipe all of that down, and then I go ahead and vacuum the kitchen as well. This kitchen in our hallway in the house gets the most traffic, so I'm constantly vacuuming and mopping throughout the week. It's just like, I don't know, this floor, you can feel it. That's why I like keeping my slippers on. And then I went ahead and threw the rug back. I moved the rug that was in this hallway too, if you guys noticed. I just feel like it was a little too much. But then I started cleaning off this little hutch thing I have in the living room, as well as the mirror above. I just dust it off and wipe it with my Mrs. Meyer spray. This mirror was really hard for me to clean. It was not my favorite. But moving on to another day in the week, because I didn't finish everything that day. We did some laundry, which we do about once a week. Sometimes I go every other week, depending on like how much laundry we're actually consuming, like using. But we obviously aren't really doing much, but I still had some work clothes I needed to wash. And then whenever we go out in public, we like to go ahead and wash all that as well, just because of the fact that of everything that's going on. You just want to keep the germs down in the house. I did 4 loads of laundry this day, and it was wild. The 4th load was just towels, but we use the Tide Pods, and then we use scent boosters, if you guys are wondering what I'm throwing in there. So I can't wait to have our own washer and dryer in our next home. I cannot wait. But I do like the little walk going outside. It's just been super hot. Maybe we're saying that it's hot outside. and that this is literally just the beginning of it being this hot. In California it gets like 100 degrees during the summertime, 100 plus, and it's literally only 80 out and we're like complaining that it's hot. When you're staring at the sun, let's hide away from it, try to escape from it, let's hide away if you really want to run. Once everything is dried, I like to put everything away afterwards. It doesn't always happen, but I try to do it as soon as we get done because I don't like to put away the laundry. I like to do it, but putting it away takes forever. It's mainly all my clothes. I like to do my Instagram posts now, and then I wear that all day, so I tend to have more laundry than he does. So I'm just putting away socks, underwear, and then hanging up my shirts and jackets. Definitely won't be having as much laundry anymore because we have so many jackets and now it's getting warm in California, so we will only have like t-shirts and shorts. And then I also went through my dresser. This bottom drawer is my drawer that I typically put my pajama shorts and my sweats and extra shirts that I don't have room for in my closet, so I just like to organize. That is it for this weekly cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. That way you guys don't miss out on any of my new videos. I love you guys, and until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.